Good evening. James Travel Eats again tonight in New York City. We're gonna go and find something to eat. I think takeout. Maybe try to sit down somewhere. There's gonna be some sushi here on James Travel Eats called Happy Tuna Sushi Crisp Rice here on 355 West 36th Street. Looks like a lot of Grubhub and guys are picking up orders here for takeout. So anyway, we're in point of view right now, and this is the night life here. You can see it's still overcast, a lot of rain, a lot of fog out there. Got to use an umbrella. So anyway, let's double check the time. 11 o'clock at night, Sunday night. 11:01 p.m. Sunday night, May 24th. Checking in at James Travel Eats. And we're gonna get a takeout here, guys. We haven't done that here. It's not really a viral spot. I just saw it online. Wanted to go to a normal spot for sushi, and there it is right there, Happy Tuna. And there's a QR code right there as well. Well, here's another space, the other side of it here. It's easier to see. Happy Tuna, right? Happy Tuna. First, we're gonna do this. We're gonna compare it to, in Hawaii. That's why I'm coming here too, is to compare it to the Hawaii sushis, like Yankee sushi, fast food, that kind of deal. Okay, I'll just go in here and order something up to go here. We got a camera right there, just like me. I've got a camera. Boom. All right. Hot matcha, strawberry, vanilla. Looking good. Let me wipe you guys off because there's a lot of rain out there. Hello.
Hi.
Okay, so my first time. I just came to the town 2 days ago, and I just looking for some sushi. So I saw you guys online. And, I'm a vlogger, food. So anything you recommend, it's like an order, like a, okay, very awesome. And it's strictly to go, take out. Okay, is there the only places around to go? Just okay, go find.
No.
Okay, just get out and wherever. Okay, very sounds good. All right, well here's the menu, guys. All right. Oh whoa, look at that, salmon donbori, unagi donbori. You can see the prices there, 24. There's a box. All right, look at that there, 3 combo. We got matcha. Very good. Hey, how you doing? Very good. So, what's the crispy lunch? Is that the one? Oh, okay. Okay? Just have the Happy Bite lunch box right there, and it has albacore, salmon, tuna, miso soup. Okay. And what's the crispy rice? Oh, there we go. Okay, let's try that because that's your signature, right? Yeah, I want to try that definitely. And then let me see. What item should I get? I can get a roll. Okay. When I get a, so that's tuna. Why don't we get a salmon roll?
Alright.
So we get those two. We get that crisp rice and we get spicy salmon roll.
Alright.
Awesome. Okay, total 21 for the spicy crisp tuna and the spicy salmon roll. 36.96. Very good. All right, awesome. Give me my card. Cash okay? Okay. Excited. This is gonna be good. I've never had any sushi in New York before. It's my first one here. I know there's a lot of places, right? But much. That was awesome, guys. Check it out. Local by toast, just like they have in Hawaii. Again, now we just wanted to test this out. So $36.96 for the crispy rice tuna and the spicy salmon roll for $12.95. So we got 2 things coming out. Can't wait to check this out. Happy Tuna, happy life. Again, this is not a viral spot, guys. This is not a viral spot. This is just a takeout spot I wanted to try here. In point of view, by the way. So again, if anybody sees this video later on, let me know what you think about point of view. I can do more of it. I can walk through the city. I've got another another channel that I can put is called point of view or POV specifically, and I can walk around eventually. But I wanted to grow James Travel Eats first. So James Travel Eats grows, and that's the point of the channel, is to get food, display it, and let you guys know what I think about the quality of food, no matter where I am. That's why I'm in New York City. That's why I've come out with all these videos. And this is the way it's gonna be for now. Anyway, I'll be right back, guys. Be sure to like, subscribe if you like my content. Hit the notification bell. Comment below. Let me know. I'll compare this to the Hawaii sushi places that I usually go to. All right. Cut. Okay. Here we go. 8.9. Open. 0.8 times square. Okay, guys. Here it is. Happy Tuna. There it is, right there. There's the box right there. Okay. take this out, put the receipt in the bag. And there we go. There's the box there. It says Happy Tuna. Check this out here. Find a spot to sit down and eat it and review what we got here at Happy Tuna. The two dishes that we ordered. Okay. All right, guys. I'll be right back here. Let me exit the place. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. One final shot here of Happy Tuna. Maybe you can see here on this side. Right there. Happy Tuna crispy rice there at 3355 West 36th Street. Okay. Alright guys, we're gonna go find a spot to sit down so I can review what I just ordered here. So I will be back in a moment. Like, subscribe, all that stuff, man. We'll see you soon here in New York City. Cut. Okay guys, we're back here on Ames Travel Eats. We're currently sitting down in McDonald's. We got a free apple pie because they gave it to me on the app. So there it is, their baked apple pie. McCafe baked apple pie. And of course, you know, we ordered our... So I'm gonna go ahead and do a reveal here. Let's go ahead and open up the first box. You guys can see that. It's Happy Tuna time. And of course, I hope I don't get copyright strike for the music in here in McDonald's, but we'll see. I might edit my video later on here. Oh, I see there's some tape there. Okay. We could go ahead and this up. I'm gonna have to take that tape off there like so. They've got tape disguised ghost tape. I couldn't see it. Alright, here we go. Here's the review here. The absolute reveal. And there it is. Oh boy, that's what it looks like. There it is. Happy Life. Looks like spicy bites of salmon. They look like minced rice, like a roll, they said. I thought it was gonna be an actual like roll with salmon on top. No, it's minced salmon. Give it a smell. Alright, smells normal. Of course, they've got chopsticks here too. Let's go do the review of the other one here, these other spicy as well. Okay, another one here, review of Happy Tuna. Here we go. Oh boy, there it is. It's got jalapeños on it. Crispy rice tuna. This is gonna be the first one I try right here, guys. 100%. Because I've never had this before. I saw it online, that's why I went here. We're gonna try that one out right there. Look at that. Look at that. There's crisp. I can see it underneath there. Alright, here we go. Yeah, that right there. Alright, chopsticks. Here we go. A little bit of ginger. Cleanse the palate. Here we go. Here we go. Good ginger. Normal. It's gonna have a spice kick on there with that jalapeno pepper on there. Go ahead and grab one of these here. Oh, there we go. Crispy rice. Oh yeah, that's crispy, man. Look at that. It's not dropped out there. Look at that right there. Right. We're gonna want that. It looks like a chicken nugget actually. Look at that. It's like deep fried rice. Oils at the bottom. Looks like a minced, sort of like a pate type of tuna on top there. Like it's sort of like a pate, like they creamed it. There we go. Okay. Alright. Okay. Unagi on it. Sweet, savory kick. Crispy rice. I don't really get a whole big hint of tuna. It's minced. It's like spread on top. But you get a good hit of the spice and the sweetness of that unagi. Alright, let's go one more time here. Alright, there we go. So yeah, that's the rice on that side. You can see where it's crisp there at the bottom. Alright, here we go. Going down. Wow. Okay. Happy Life bite. Happy. Not too bad. For a takeout sushi, that is really not too bad. I like the crispy texture of the rice, the spice, the savory, the sweetness mix. It's good. Really good. Alright, let's keep going here. I think that I would appreciate more tuna though. Tuna is minced on the top there. But as far as the texture and the quality of it, it's good. Alright, not too bad. Alright, let's go in on the next one here. Alright, here we go. Just bang the camera. It's all good though. Really, I'm going to review the McDonald's apple pie. I'm just going to do sushi. The point of my travel eats today was just to go to Sushi, Happy Life, Happy Tuna. Okay, here we go. This is salmon. It also looks minced. See there? Oh yeah, look at that. Okay. Okay, this place is minced sashimi. So they really crush it up, mix it up in their sauce. The rice is good though. Good. If you miss rice and you want some sushi in New York City, come here to Happy Tuna. This is actually decent. There's some places in Hawaii that have minced up tuna like this. Oh, Kyung Seafood. Kyung Seafood and Kamoko Seafood, I think, have something similar as far as the way that they mince up their
sashimi or fish or their salmon or their tuna or hamachi. That's what this reminds me of, the way that it's minced up like that. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, well, that's gonna wrap a quick video here I wanted to make this evening in New York on a takeout from Happy Tuna. There it is. Wrap up my review there. I'm gonna give this scoring to right now as we speak. In point of view, we're not gonna wait. Let you guys know what I think here about Happy Tuna takeout. It'll be fast food. There's no dine in there. So let's go and put this all in my bag here. Get a sip of this water here to wash everything down here at McDonald's. Thank you so much for hooking me up with your apple pie. I'm not gonna review that though. Everybody knows what an apple pie is like at McDonald's. Okay guys, here is the score in the view here. Alright, so you can see the outside city, the grass here. The score we're gonna give Happy Tuna on a takeout here from in New York City here in Times Square area. We're gonna give Happy Tuna a 7.8. 7.8 guys. Alright. Not the greatest. Crispy is good. Minced salmon, this is not my style. I like the whole pieces of fish on top. I'd rather have had them that way. But they have a good idea, let's take out. So that's the reason why the score is where it's at. Because it's a takeout, fast food type of sushi here. So anyway, sounds good guys. It's a nice evening tonight here in New York. I'm gonna end this video now and then upload it here hopefully the next hour. Give you guys my review here. But anyway, aloha again, and from James Travel Eats signing out. If you like my content, again I remind you to like and subscribe. If you like what I'm doing, comment below. Let me see everything that or give me any ideas you guys have about New City. All right guys, peace.